How to open Remitly account. In order to open a Remitly account, all you have to do is make sure to first of all launch the Remitly application in this case. So once you launch the Remitly app, this is the option that you will be able to see. From the home page, you can simply first of all choose your language. If you already have an account, tap on I already have a profile and login. But if you don't, tap on the option called Create New Profile. Simply select the country that you're currently from in this case. And once you've done that, you should be able to enter other addresses associated with it. So select where do you want to send money to. I will select some countries in this case over here. So let me go ahead and then choose the other countries here. Once done, I can tap on the next option. These are a couple of details that is definitely necessary, so make sure to fill them very carefully. Now enter the email address that you want to use for your Remitly account. Choose a password carefully and reconfirm the password on the third box. Then tap on the sign up button. It may ask you to verify your email address. Once the verification is completed, your Remitly account will be successfully created. That way you can open Remitly account. That is all for this video. If you have got any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial and see you soon in the next video.